Okay, this is a very common SAT quadratic function word problem. So be sure to familiarize yourself with this question because it will appear a lot in your exam. So it gives us a quadratic function that models a height in feet. So we can see that y is correspond to feet, and in seconds after the object was launched. So just to make note here, seconds after the object was launched. So it will correspond to x in terms of second, and it gives us an initial height of 0 feet. So we know that the function will pass through the point 0, 0 in the xy plane above. So this is 0, 0. And it gives us another information about the maximum value. So whenever the text gives you the maximum or the minimum value, you have to make sure to write a vertex form of the quadratic function. So what is the vertex form? I'm gonna just reiterate here. So the vertex form is a multiplied by x minus h squared plus k, where h and k correspond to the x and y value of the vertex. So let's see, h and k is the chords of the vertex. Alright, so it gives us a maximum height of 1,600 feet in 10 seconds. So the the coordinate of the vertex should be 10 and 1600. So we got the value of h, got k. Now we substitute back into this vertex form. That will give us this equation right here. So y is equal to a times x minus h squared plus k. Substitute this in, we get y equals to a times x minus 10 squared plus 1600. Oh shoot, 1600. And now, like I mentioned before, it gives us another initial height of 0, 0 here. So we can substitute this point in this equation, and then we'll find the value of a. So what we need to do here is find the value of a. So by substituting 0 in, we get 0 equals to a times 0 minus 10 squared plus 1600. So that will give us 0 is equal to 0 minus 10 is minus 10. Minus 10 squared is 100. So it gives us 100a plus 1600. Now it gives us substituting both sides by 1,600, we'll get 100a is equal to minus 1600. Now the last step is to divide both sides by 100. A is equal to minus 16. There we got our value of a is equal to 16. So now we substitute this a value back to our function. We will get this this equation of the model. So y is equal, oh shit, let me get this, y is equal to minus 16 times x minus 10 squared plus 1600. And now it asks us the question of what is the height of the object after 18 seconds. 18 seconds is an x value, so we just need to substitute x here to be 18 and then find the value y. That will give us the height after 18 seconds. So I'm just gonna substitute it here. Y is equal to minus 16 times what was it again? 18 seconds. 18 minus 10 squared plus 1600. So y is equal to minus 16. 18 minus 10 is 8. 8 squared is 64. So multiply by 64 plus 1600. Now it will get us minus 16 times 64 is minus 1 minus 1024 plus 1600. That will give us a value of y equals 576. So there we go. We solved one of the most common question in the SAT. So the final answer is y. Oops. Y is equals to 576 meter. Oh, I mean feet.